What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. This is the NEXTORCH UT10 model. It comes with a 170 lumens. I love a torch which I can mount on my head, mount on my helmet, clip on, mount on my bicycle, mount anywhere I want. But I need something USB rechargeable. I really don't want something to change the battery. Okay, here it is. I wanna open it, but okay, where to open this thing? From here maybe. Okay, something like this. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. And then here is the here's the light and the rubbish. Let me put aside the rubbish. Okay, so here's the micro USB charging, as you can see. Okay, just press and hold. Wow, it's very bright. Wow, I mean, okay, this is the bicycle mount. Which one is the bicycle mount? Okay, I forgot which one is the bicycle mount. Okay, this one is the bicycle mount. So how I can mount this one? Wait. Okay, like this somewhat I can mount. Okay, let me take this one out. Okay, this one is the headlamp. Okay, I can take out this one. Now it become a bicycle mount. Okay, now it become a bicycle mount. Awesome, I love this thing. Okay, and this one is the clip mount, for example mounting on your helmet something. Okay, clip mount. And this one is helmet mount. How the hell you mount this on your helmet? Headlamp. Okay, helmet mount. But what is this, to be honest with you? Okay, but if I mount on my helmet like this, but how I can, I don't understand about this one. I can just use this one. And this one is okay, it have 1 2 3 4 mount, right? Clip mount, helmet mount, bicycle mount. Okay, okay, this one for the mount light, I'm not sure, let me see. Headlight. Okay, this one is helmet mount, clip light. Okay, yeah, so I'm really very much impressed with the quality. I think so this is easily a must buy. Yeah, I can just use it on its own if I want. Okay, oh, it even have a red light. Red light you can use up to 18-hour, white light up to 12-hour. You see red light. Okay, subscribe and bye.